Good morning, good morning, good morning. Assalamualaikum. One thing that's for sure, and two things that's for certain. It's a cold winter. Y'all better bundle up. It's a cold winter out this joint, man. When y'all come out this joint, make sure y'all should prepare. It's a bad joint out this joint. Alhamdulillah. One thing I love about living in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, after traveling the world, is that we get a little bit of everything. We get the summer, we get the winter, we get the spring. Alhamdulillah, we get to experience a little bit of the weather that each region get. Because I've been places where it's just sunny.